We are starting the last section of videos for topic 1. This is lesson 4, and it's about compound probability. Now, the word compound means multiple things happening, so like stacking different situations. Just like a compound word is 2 or more words pushed together to make a longer one. Likewise, that's a compound word. It's got 2 words pressed together. Probabilities have the exact same thing. So therefore, what I want you to know about is when we talk about one probability event and then we talk about a second one, there is a mathematical way we have to think about calculating what's happening in the extent of all of them added together. So let's get into it. You got a highlighter, right? And I'm going to use a pen for right now to underline. We're talking about compound probabilities with and without replacement. And that's a key concept that has continued to exist in our lessons. How does the probability change if I do or do not replace the thing that I chose from one selection to the second? We're also going to interpret probabilities in terms of real-world situations. And there's no new learning in terms of vocabulary because you have had access to it from the previous 3 lessons. So let's practice it. Spiral review. The local diner serves 5 different kinds of pie: apple, blueberry, lemon, rhubarb, and peach. They serve 4 flavors of ice cream: vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, and tangerine. What I did on the sticky note is I drew the sample space of every possible combination of pie and ice cream. So VA, right here that I'm pointing to, would represent a vanilla ice cream with an apple pie slice. Or CR would represent chocolate with rhubarb, chocolate ice cream with rhubarb pie. And so our sample space outlines all of the possible outcomes that we could have. Now we're going to calculate the probabilities for various situations. Let's take a look at the probability of peach pie and vanilla. I'm just going to put this sticky note over here for a second. Well, all right. So peach pie and vanilla, ordering both, is really like in the sample space under peach pie and vanilla ice cream. It's only one outcome out of 4, 8, 12, out of 20. Technically, the answer to this one is 1 out of 20. But what we can do is we can separate the event of the type of pie we're going to order as the probability of ordering a peach pie. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total choices, but you're only going to choose 1 of those 5. The probability of ordering vanilla ice cream independently of ordering your pie slice would be 1, 2, 3, 4 choices. It'd be 1 of 4. So multiplying those 2 fractions, multiply straight across, 1 times 1 and 5 times 4. It is in fact 1 out of 20. Here's 2 different ways of calculating it. I really like the sample space idea, but if we figured out by a formula the probability of each and we times them, we get the same answer. That's what this lesson is all about, what you can accomplish through the formula approach to thinking about probability. Now in question 2, bring out another color here for a second here. What is the probability of a customer ordering peach pie? So that's this column. Or mind you, ordering vanilla ice cream, which is this row. So if there are 20 outcomes, then of those 20, I've circled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. In other words, 8 out of 20. But there is a formula way of thinking about it. And the formula way of thinking about the word or, look at the last lesson, I think it was lesson 3, is that you find the probability of peach, so 1/5, plus the probability of vanilla. Peach, 1/4. And then we're going to take away the probability of both. And so this right here is the only scenario in the entire list of the sample space that is both vanilla and peach, vanilla ice cream and peach pie. Because of the word or, that's our math operation, this one, which represents and, needs to be removed. It's only 1 out of 20. So then we get our calculator out. I'm going to use Siri for this one. Walk to my mobile device. Hey Siri, what's 1/5 minus 1/4? Start over. Hey Siri, what's 1/5 plus 1/4 minus 1/20?
It's 0.4.
Yo, that's what 8 over 20 is. 0.4. Thank you for watching this episode. Let's go ahead and continue practicing our understanding of probability. Thank you for giving it your attention and your focus. You've got this. Probability is everywhere around you and the rest of your life. It influences decisions. It helps justify your choices, and it also keeps you out of trouble. So thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you on page 818 for our next episode.